Apparently, I've been tagged, which means I have to give you some personal information, which I'm loath to do. But anyway, here goes. I was once a city councilman in a major Denver, Colorado suburb, which gives me the distinction of being one of the few registered libertarians to have ever held office. I ride a motorcycle that was made in Russia and can actually be seen riding my bike on a music video of Big and Rich, the country music superstars. I've been a restaurant chef and even the maitre d' of a 5-star restaurant. I also used to manage apartments for one of the largest landlords in the U.S. I managed over 300 apartments at one time. And I've been a volunteer fireman for many years. When I was in better shape, I even fought forest fires. You've never seen my face on my videos, so feel lucky. Here I am. So there it is. Watch out, I'm thinking of who to tag myself.